Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the date format on the Seat Arona infotainment system. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If the date format on your car is not the format that you are used to, you may often get confused about which date it is. Don't worry, you can change the date format in the settings. Press the menu button to the right of the screen. Then tap System. In the System settings, tap Time and Date. Then tap Date Format at the bottom. You can now choose between 3 different date format options. Tap to select the one that you would like to use and it will change immediately. And that was an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.